Hey everybody, this is Jake from Bones and Broadheads, and we're down here in Albia, just checking things out, doing a little tree trimming, a little work on some stands. But I wanted to give everyone an update on our clover food plot. So as you can see, we've got a lot of clover coming up. Our mowing really did its job, and the food plot looks really well, really green for how dry it's been down here in Albia. So we've got a few broadleaves coming up in the clover, some common ragweed here. But overall, the food plot looks really well. We're not gonna really mow it again probably until September time frame, just because it's been so dry. We really don't wanna stress this clover out any more than it has to be. And overall, it looks really, really great. So this should be a dynamite food plot come October and November during bow season. So stay tuned to Bones and Broadheads for more updates on food plots down here at the farm in Albia. Thanks.